So if we break mindfulness into components, there are various components to it. From a DBT perspective, which is what I was initially trained in, the components I had learned, and these are pretty common throughout the world of mindfulness. The first one is to be an observer. So observe something, observing whether it's your breath or whether it's something outside of you, like a flower or like the ocean. So the ability to observe. The next one is using your senses. So obviously observing is using your visual sense, but also what do you hear, what do you smell, what do you taste, what do you touch. So that's a really nice way to kind of ground yourself into a mindful state, is to really pick a sense and almost kind of hyper focus on that sense, whatever it is. If it's something you're touching, really touch it. If it's something you're tasting, really taste it and feel it in your mouth. If it's something you're hearing, really sit and intensely listen to the nuances of what you're hearing. So we have observation, we have using your senses, and then there's participating. You are participating in it. You're not haphazardly kind of doing it, but you're actively participating in the moment, meaning you're not thinking about what you're doing next, you're not thinking about the past, but you're actually being in the moment, in the second, as you participating with whatever it is that you're participating in, as you're being an observer to that participation. And the last one is non-judgmental, and this really gets into our perceptual system. Is this good? Is this bad? I like this, I don't like this. So mindfulness often talks about finding that non-judgmental space, and even if you have a judgment, you're not going to judge yourself for having a judgment. You're just going to recognize and label it, oh, here's a judgment, and bring yourself back to that kind of observing role where you are more curious and an observer experiencing it versus thinking about what you're experiencing. So those are just some simple things to consider as you're learning and practicing